Okay, so I've taken this out of the freezer. I have enough for probably 3 pie crusts. So I have 3, and I'm going to be using these Pyrex. This is going to be for the apple, and this is going to be for the sweet potato. And I have all my mixture done, and I'll probably be adding more sugar to that. And then
I see it, look. That's cute.
Yeah. And then I have my sweet potato, butternut squash sweet potatoes. So like I said before, it's like 2 sweet potatoes, 1 butternut squash, just a regular size, medium. I did add an extra egg, juice of an orange and zest of an orange. And then the other ingredients that I incorporated, like the sugar, salt, to your taste, however, how much sugar you want. Some spices, allspice, pumpkin spice, cinnamon, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to show you how to... So what I did was I basically rolled it out with a little bit of flour. So I have a little bit of flour on here, just a little bit, and then you just kind of roll it out like that. And you see those nice little big spots? That's the butter. So that's what's going to make the pie crust flaky. So, and you can fold it in quarters.
Eat your heart out, Julia Childs.
That's my buddy friend, Lewis. He's here. He's a trucker friend of mine, and we went to trucking school together. Well, that's where we met, and he's here to visit and then joining me with the Run to Feed the Hungry and all
Where's
that.
the camera?
Right there.
Hello, hello. Whoa, that's close. Hello.
So, okay. So he's here. He's working for another company, and I'm taking a sabbatical, basically. Anyways, okay. So I'll just go ahead and press that in. You take a knife and you just kind of cut it like that. All right, you take a knife and you cut it, and you cut around. I'm so glad he's here. He's lifting up my spirit.
Likewise.
Yeah. So that's, becoming a trucker is really difficult because you're out there on the road by yourself, and we kind of depend on our family and friends to be there for us while we're driving. So for me, I've lost a lot of my family because my family's out of state, and I don't know when I'll ever be able to see them because they're out of state. And so him coming, it just, to me, is just really nice. So, okay, so just makes me not feel so alone in this holiday season. It brings a lot of joy in my heart. And that's what we do during the holidays. And I just want to make this special dinner, so that's why I'm doing all these special.
We're going on a run walk for the hungry.
Yeah, we're gonna do a run to feed the hungry. Now, as a matter of fact, if I didn't know if you wanted to register, we could pick up that the package at the church. If you want to register and get the shirt.
That's okay.
You don't want to get the shirt?
We'll just do the run walk.
Okay. Well, that's part of it. So, if you want to do that, I called them just in case if you wanted to get the shirt.
Okay.
Otherwise, I don't have. Anyways,
Peaches.
it's up to you. I'll let you think about it.
What you gonna eat? Peaches for Thanksgiving, huh?
Oh, you know what? I need to feed her. So what I did was basically what I'm doing here
Hungry peaches?
is I'm just making
I don't think
some.
She likes me.
She don't think what?
I don't think she likes me.
She's not used to the men guys.
I don't think she likes me at all. Look.
Oh! She's licking the dickens out of you. Yeah, she's getting some love. Good, I'm glad, because I can't entertain her right now. I'm cooking. So, and then I just kind of pinch it like that, okay? And then what I'm going to do is get a piece of parchment. Oh, and he brought some food, some Jim Boys. Oh, so good. I'm so happy. My tummy's happy. So what you want to do is you want to put some parchment in there, right? So after you poke it a little bit, and then you put some beans in that. So that'll kind of be a weight. And then you stick it. Let me see, where's my scissors? You trim the top. That.
You have a nice view from your kitchen.
Yeah, I do, huh?
Everything's within reach. You make stuff fast.
Yeah, I don't think my sister wouldn't mind me staying in her place. It took a lot for me to move in here. I did not want to move in here because this is where I found her.
Yeah.
But she talked me into it. My cousin did. I was like, I don't want to. Anyway, so okay, so I'm gonna do 2 more pie crusts like this. Stick them in the oven at 400 for about maybe 425 for about 10 minutes, and then take them out and then start filling them up, and I'll show you that part. Okay, talk to you soon.